Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going through fascinating world of microgreens farming, from planting to harvesting, and everything in between. But first, let's start with the basics. Microgreens have been gaining popularity since the 1990s and origins from Southern California, then San Francisco, and spreading eastward after that. These are young seedlings of edible vegetables and herbs that are harvested just a week to 10 days after their cotyledon leaves have developed. Some of the more popular seeds are using for microgreens are mustard greens, kale, arugula, spinach, radish greens, watercress, peas, cabbage, basil. Now, let's get into the microgreens farming process. To begin the planting, containers, organic potting mix, and, of course, seeds are required. Depending on the variety, some seeds may require a pre-soak in water. Scatter the seeds, press them into the soil, and cover them lightly with more potting mix. Keep the soil moist but avoid overwatering. These containers are kept aside for germination. Germination usually takes around 10 days to 2 weeks. When the true leaves appear, it's time to harvest. Harvesting can be done simply sniping the microgreens just above the soil. Once harvested, it's time to pack these flavorful beauties. Compostable grow trays and tray covers are using for packing the microgreens. Packing is done carefully, which ensures they reach customers fresh and in great condition. And there you have it, the journey from planting to harvesting microgreens in a commercial setting. In the same way you can grow at a small scale at home for your consumption. These nutrient-dense greens are best enjoyed raw in salads, on top of grilled dishes, in smoothies, and so much more. And don't forget about their incredible health benefits. Microgreens are packed with nutrients, and studies have shown they can be up to 40 times more potent in phytochemicals compared to their mature counterparts. They can help lower blood pressure, fight against cancer, lowering cholesterol, and support gut health. So, that's all about farming process of microgreens, which is delicious and incredibly nutritious. Thanks for joining us today, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content.